Hello everyone. I welcome you all to KR Lakkam CBSE School Mudur online classes. In previous class, we discussed how to expand decimal numbers. So today we will continue with how to add and how to subtract decimal numbers. And in previous class, we discussed about how to convert paisa into rupees and centimeters to meters and meters to kilometers. So now we will discuss some examples on how to add and how to subtract decimal numbers. After these examples, we will start with exercise 2.5. So here they are given 21 21.36 plus 37.35. Okay, so now here 6 plus, how to add these decimal numbers? First we will consider the right part of the decimal point and last digit. Here 6 plus 5 means what we will get? 11. Here 1 is carry. Okay, now again 3 plus 3 means what we will get? 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, so now after 2 digits decimal point is there, so again I will put here one decimal point. Okay, so now again 1 plus 7 means 8 and 2 plus 3 means 5, so 58.71 is the answer. And again they have given another example to calculate difference. Difference means we have to subtract. So here they have given 29.35 minus 4.56. 4.56. Okay, so here at the 10th place I will put 0 because it is 4.56 only. So now how to subtract? Again like addition only, I have to consider right part of the decimal point and the last digit. Here 5 minus 6 means we cannot subtract 6 from 5, so what we have to do, we will consider one carry here. 15 minus 6 means what you will get? 9. 15 minus 6 means 9. So now 3 minus 6, because 5 plus 1 carry is there, 6. So 3 minus 6, it is not possible. So again we will consider one carry here. 13 minus 6 means what we will get here? 13 minus 6. So 13 minus 6 means we will get 7. And again after 2 digits decimal point is there, so again I will put one decimal point here. So now 4 plus 1 5, so 9 minus 5 means what you will get? 4, and 2 minus 0 means 2. So what we got here? 24.79. Okay, so again they are given another two examples to try yourself. 0.19 plus 2.3 and another example 39.87 minus 21.98 in page number 47 of your textbook. So try to solve those two decimal numbers of addition and subtraction. Okay, so now I will continue with exercise 2.5. So here in exercise 2.5, in first question what they are given, which is greater. So which is greater means they are given two numbers here. We have to compare these two numbers and mention which is greater value. Okay, so these types of problems we have seen in introduction part only. By using one example, what they are given, John has 15.50 rupees and Salma has 15.75 rupees. By that example, we compared the decimal numbers and mentioned who has more money. Okay, so like that example only here they have given first problem in exercise 2.5. So here in first main question we have to mention which is greater. So here first question 0.5 or 0.05. Okay, so now how to compare these decimal numbers? First we have to compare left part of the decimal numbers, decimal point. Here decimal point is there, so first we have to compare this left part of the decimal point. So here, and that should be leftmost number or the first number in left part of the decimal point. See here in this problem, in left part we have 0 for both numbers. You can see here also on left part 0 is there, here also on left part 0 is there before decimal point. So after this we have to compare, after all the left part numbers we have to compare right part decimal numbers or right part of the decimal point. So here right part of the decimal point we have 5 here, but here we have 0. So we know that this 5 is greater than 0. Okay, so now I can write here this 5 is greater than 0, therefore where 5 is greater than 0, this 0.5 is greater than 0.05. This is how to compare two decimal numbers. Listen carefully again. Here they have given 0.5 or 0.05. So we have to compare here. How to compare? First, always we have to compare left part of the decimal point. Left part of the decimal point means here also it is 0, here also it is 0. Okay. So if both are 0, then we have to compare right part of the decimal point. So here at the right part, first digit is 5, but here it is 0. And we know that this 5 is greater than 0. Okay, so now therefore this 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Okay, so now I will solve second problem. Here they have given in second problem 0.7 or 0.5. 0.7 or 0.5. So now again what we have to do, we have to compare left part of the decimal point. Here also it is 0, here also it is 0. So both the numbers have 0 only at the left part of the decimal point. So now we will compare right part of the decimal point. So here it is 7, but here it is 5. We know that this 7 is greater than 5, so that we can write here this 7 is greater than 5. Okay, so now therefore where 7 is there? Here. Therefore 0.7 is greater than 0.5. Okay, so now we will see next problem 7 or some 0.7. Here in third problem what they are given 7 or 0.7. 7 or 0.7. So again here we should compare left part of the decimal point. So if there is no decimal point, then you can assume that after 7 there will be one decimal point. Okay, so now left part of the decimal point is this 7. Listen carefully. If there is no decimal point, they are given here 7 or 0.7. Okay, so this 7 is the left part of the decimal point only. This 7 is left part of the decimal point, or you can consider this as 7.0. Okay, so now here left part of the decimal point means here 7 is there, here 0 is there. So now what you can write, 7 is greater than 0. Okay, where 7 is there, here this 7 is greater than 0, therefore we can write 7 is greater than 0.7. Like this only we will see next problem also. So here they have given in fourth problem 1.37 or 1.49 or 1.49. So now again we have to compare left part of the decimal point only. Here left part of the decimal point means here also 1 is there, here also 1 is there. So now we have to compare right part of the decimal point. So here at the right part of the decimal point, here there is 3, here 4 is there. So now we know that this 4 is greater than 3. Okay, here this 4 is greater than 3, therefore we can write here this 4 is greater than 3 or 3 is less than 4. Okay, so now therefore this 1.37, where 3 is there, here this 4 is here. So now we got to know that this 1.37 is less than 1.49, or you can read it as 1.49 is greater than 1.37. Okay, so this is how to solve or how to compare two decimal numbers. Here they have given 6 problems in first main problem. So here I solved first 4 problems. Try to solve remaining 2 problems. Okay, so now I will move to the next problem, second one. Express as rupees using decimals. So here they have given numbers in paise. So we have to express these values into rupees values. Okay, so now in second question they have given express as rupees using decimals. So before going to this problem, you should remember that, and even I have discussed this in introduction part only. Always 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. Okay, 100 paise. 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. So now they are given numbers in paise. We have to express these values in rupees. Okay, 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. We should remember that. So here they have given in first problem of second main 7 paise. Okay, how to express this 7 paise in rupees? We know that always 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. Therefore we can write it in the form of 7 by 100, because 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. Here they have given 7 paise, means to express this value in rupee we should write it in the form of 7 by 100. So now we have to convert this value into decimal number. Okay, so now here how to convert this into decimal number? 7 by 100 means we should write this 7 in 1 by 100th position. Okay, so now 0 point after this decimal point, first digit is 1 by 10 position. So here we should write this 7 in 1 by 100th position. So first I will write one 0 and this is 1 by 10 position. You all know this. Next after this 1 by 100th position, in 1 by 100th position we should write 7. So here we can write 7. So 7 paisa equals to 0.07 rupee. 0.07 rupee. Or while writing this fraction into 7 by 100 into decimal number, here 3 digits are there. 100 means how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay? See here again. 100 means 7 by 100 means below this 3 digits are there. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 digits. So after decimal point only 2 digits should be there. Listen carefully. 7 by 100 means in 100 there are 3 digits. 100 means there are 3 digits. Okay. So now while converting this value 7 by 100 into decimal number, how to convert it? After this decimal point, here 0 point, this decimal point, only 2 digits should come. Below, less one less than the this number or denominator. One number less than the denominator. Here there are 3 digits. 100 means there are 3 digits. So one less means only 2 digits. Here 3 digits. One less means only 2 digits should come after decimal point. Okay. So now first we will consider 0 and we will mention 7. Okay. So now again we will see another problem. Here they have given 7 rupees 7 paise. So now we have to mention this in rupees format. So here they have given 7 rupees 7 paise means already this 7 rupees is in rupees format only. Only this 7 paise format should be converted to rupees format. So now first we will write 7 rupees plus 7 paisa should be converted to rupees. So how to write 7 paisa to rupees format? 7 by 100 because 1 rupee equals to 100 paisa. So 7 paisa is equal to 7 by 100. Okay. So now 7 plus 7 by 100 means what we got here? Here also 7 by 100 is there. When you convert this value to decimal number, so what you will get? 0.07. Okay. So here 7 by 100 means I will write 0.07. Or you can see here 7 by 100 means after decimal points only 2 digits should come. So here we will write 7 in second number because here there are 3 digits are there. 100 means, so 100 means there are 3 digits are there. So after decimal points only 2 digits should come. So first I will write 0 and after this I will write 7. Okay. So now when you add 7 plus 0.07, what you will get? 7.07 rupees. You can see here 7 plus 0.07. What you will get? When you add 7, 0 and decimal point after 7, after this 7 plus 0 means 7. So what we got here? 7.07. Okay. So now we will see another problem. Here they are given 77 rupees 77 rupees 77 paise. 77 equals to, here 77 rupees, already this is in rupees format, and this 77 paise, this should be converted to rupees format. So what we should do, 77 plus this 77 paise should be converted to rupees format, means 77 divided by 100. Why? Already you know 100, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Therefore 77 paise equals to 77 by 100. Okay. So now first we will write this 77 rupees plus, and now we should convert this 77 by 100 to decimal number. How to convert? 0. Here 3 digits are there, 100 means 3 digits are there, then after decimal point only 2 digits should come. So here 77 means there are 2 digits, so here I can write directly 77. Listen carefully again. 77 by 100 means here in 100 there are 3 digits. Okay, so after decimal point how many numbers should come, how many digits should come? Only 2. So here in 77 how many numbers are there? 2. Therefore after decimal point I can directly write 77 means 77. So here what you will get, 77 plus 0.77 means what you will get, you can add here 77 plus 0.77. Okay, here left part of the decimal point I considered as 0 here because 0.77 is there, and here 77 means it is 77 point, it can be considered as 77.00. So here 0 plus 7 means 7, 0 plus 7 means 7. Here we will consider decimal point, 7 plus 0 7, 7 plus 0 7. So what we got here, 77.77. Okay, see here this 77 can be considered as 77.00. Okay, if you write directly 77 also no problem. Here there is no number, so 7 I will write directly 7 only. Again 7 means I will write directly 7 only. 7 plus 0 7, 7 plus 0 7. Okay, or you can consider it as 77.00 also. Okay, so here 77 rupees 77 paisa can be converted to rupees format. How? First this 77 first we should write because already this is in rupees format, plus 77 paisa should be converted to rupees format. Therefore how to write it? 77 by 100. Why it is 100? Because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa again. So now 77 by 100. So 77 plus 77 by 100 means here in 100 3 digits are there. So after decimal point only 2 digits should come. So 0 point, there are in 77 there are 2 digits are there, so that directly I can write 77. So 77 plus 0.77 means what we will get? 77.77. This is how to convert rupees paise to rupees values. Okay, here they have given some more problems in second problem only. Try to solve those problems. In next class I will continue with some more problems of exercise 2.5. Thank you all.